Hello friends, welcome to our channel Money Multipliers. Today we will talk about one critical aspect of health insurance which very few of us are aware of. So as we might know that health insurance policy there is a room rent limit. Many of the policies say that if you're taking this policy then the room rent cannot be more than 5,000 per day, or it can be a different figure. But if you take a good health insurance policy, they don't have any room rent limit. So first thought that comes to our mind is, okay, fine. If there is a limit, whatever the rent will be higher than the limit, I will pay that rent. That's fine. But you are making a big mistake here. It is not that simple. Expenses such as nursing charges, cost of surgery, doctor visiting charges, and many other charges are directly linked to room rent. Insurance company will consider that as well in their calculation while giving you a reimbursement. For example, in your policy, room rent limit is rupees 5,000 per day, but you have availed a room which is rupees 6,000 per day. So effectively, you have opted a room which is 20% higher than the limit. And let's say the total of other charges like nursing, visiting charges, etc., apart from the room rent, comes to 10,000 rupees when you finally get discharged from the hospital. When you go for reimbursement from the insurance company, what they will do is they'll say, since you have opted for a room which is 20% higher than the limit, so they will consider this 10,000 also is inflated by 20% according to them. So what they will do is they'll reduce 20% from this 10,000, which is which comes to 2,000, and so the reduced value is 8,000 rupees. They will pay only 8,000 in reimbursement and ask you to bear the remaining 2,000 because you opted for a room which is 20% higher, and according to them all these other charges are also 20% higher according to their calculations and their rules. Hence, it is not only the room rent difference which you will end up paying, you will also paying charges apart from room rent because insurance company will not be bearing that. So please keep this in mind before taking any insurance policy. Nowadays, there are many good insurance policies which do not have any room rent limit. So go for those policies. Thank you and follow us for more such interesting updates.